Welcome back to Shanae Hauls It All on the BS station. My name is Shanae. I put the S in BS, and I'm here with another haul. So, today's haul is going to be Dollar General, and have not been to Dollar General in many, many years. It's kind of a funny story because a long time ago, I worked at Family Dollar. And so Dollar General and Family Dollar had like this unwritten rivalry that, so I just never really shopped. I haven't been at Family Dollar in years either. I heard somewhere on someone's YouTube that Dollar General has a lot of farmhouse decorations, farmhouse decor. And I'm like, I might need to go check them out because a lot of my house is that cozy farmhouse aesthetic. So I went, you guys, and I did find a lot of really cool farmhouse pieces. So the main thing that I got that I was super excited to show you about that to make it to the haul, I had got a bottle of watermelon flavored Mountain Dew. And I was going to haul that, but I drank it. So, guys, watermelon flavored Mountain Dew is really good. And I'm glad that I bought it. All right, so the first item then, since I don't have the Mountain Dew anymore, is going to be this little decorative pillow. It's called a door pillow. And it's that white and gray color. And it says Home Sweet Home. And I think I know where I'm going to put this. Definitely going to cut off this tag. Very, very cute. And this was $2. All right. So the next thing is a tabletop sign. It's called a banner sign. And it says blessed on it. And this was $3. So very cute. I wish this was white. Might think about painting that white to match the letters. But still very cute if I don't paint it. Alright, so the next thing I got was this artwork. It says, "Life is beautiful." Very cute. This was $6. So definitely that farmhouse look to it. I have a lot of gray, white. All right, so then I have, this is a tabletop sign. This was $8. And this is something like people that do a lot of DIYs and make things like this. Or spend a lot of money at certain stores to get this. So I couldn't pass it up for $8. It says love. It's very, very cute. All right, and then the last thing I got was like some storage. And it's a little box that says embrace a simple life there. And it also says it here. And it's storage, it's a lid. So for my entryway table, this is what I was thinking about with this. Is because sometimes you want to store things on there, but you don't necessarily want everyone to see as soon as they walk in the house, what you're storing. So that's what I got this. I love shoe boxes, but I keep my shoes in them. So I don't ever get to, have fun with them and store fun stuff. So this was cute. I don't see the price tag on here. Oh, here. This was $4. So it has that cute floral pattern. I love it. All right, guys. So that will be the end of this haul. I am going to kind of put some stuff out, not necessarily where I'm going to put it forever, but just to kind of show you what some of these things look like displayed. So I'm going to end the video here and then we'll show that. So I thank you guys for stopping by our channel. Thank you for checking out this latest edition of Shanae Hauls It All. I do recommend you to go check out our other playlists, especially our Fact or Fiction Friday series, which, you know, is the reason why this YouTube channel exists. Check out that playlist and comment. Let me know what you guys think of that. And I will see you guys later on the next video. Bye.